What are we doing today?
What are we doing today, Mike?
We're south of...
Well, first off, before the day started, we caught a cat.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my God.
So, hey, Mike, we want to go down to the Gulf Shores, and we want to go fishing, and we want to catch fish on a Parker and use our cameras to capture. He said, no problem. Going through the bridge, he's like, I'll step it up a little more than that. There's a cat. Cat swimming. My buddy here, Mike, saved his life.
She's been around saltwater so long, she's probably sick. I know, baby. I know. We just don't know what to do with it.
You found it right here in the past, didn't
Yeah. It was about halfway out.
cat that hangs around right here.
Oh! Listen, her paws are just healed.
And she has a bunch.
Then he said, hey, let's go fishing. And he's put a bonita in the boat. This guy's number one. If you want to buy a boat, it's going to catch anything you want, actually. This is the guy. You want to catch cats?
Fish.
Catch cats, kittens, people, sharks, fish. Just enjoy the Gulf of Mexico.
Call him.
Changing people's lives for the better and making their dreams come true.
Oh, we're going to tag him in the
Nice.
post. You'll be able to find him any day of the week.